Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kraken King coming back at you, and in today's video I just wanted to give a quick unboxing of what you can expect when you purchase this offline server. So this is what you get. You get the instructions included, you get a little bookmark, you get the unit itself, which is this right here. It's got a heat sink included, 16 gigabyte micro SD card with Ubuntu desktop installed and some other software. This is the USB-C ESP32C3 Super Mini right here on the top, which has the Chatterbox code and DNS server software installed. Your mini HDMI port, USB 3.0 or something. It's fast USB. This is for power. This is for your peripherals or external storage. And then over here is a PCIe slot or for expansion. So you can get an expansion board. Just like this, you can look online on Amazon. Then you get a power on off button, some volume up, volume down, an IR sensor so you can control it remotely. Looks like another, oh no, that's the port that goes to it. And then it hooks on via this cable inside the Orange Pi Zero. You get Ethernet and 2 USBs, and it looks like an audio jack. So that would expand onto the board through that slot. Let's see what else you get in the package. Sticker, you get your micro HDMI to full HDMI converter. You get 2 power cords that are applicable for this device so you don't brown out. If these wires are too thin, it will not convey the amount of amperage that you need to get to this device to boot and to transmit the amount of power it needs to. So that's why I've included both of these. Also comes with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and it comes with this power brick for your Wi-Fi and your desktop PC. And here are the specs if you can see it, but if you can't, then know that it's adequate for this device. And that's it. Let's jump over to the Windows. Just wanted to show you what you could expect after you order this home server application that can be used offline or online. This is the unboxing which you just seen. This is a configuration of how you would plug it all in. Just a couple more close-ups of it. And now let's just get to the top part. So as you can see right here at the top, you will notice that it's got a white cable plugged into a device. That is the Team Legacy's Chatterbox interface. It is the ESP32C3 Super Mini board with the Team Legacy's Chatterbox web server and DNS server code installed. So to use the web server, you'd come to this IP address, and then it hosts this web page, which ultimately can allow you to leave messages. So once you type your message, don't forget to hit post, and it will post it. And then anyone that connects to your open Wi-Fi, which as we can see, we are connected to the Ultra Mini, no internet access. So we are currently on the Chatterbox that is connected to the top of the device there. You can see that little bitty squared device. That's your router and DNS server. So I'm not going to go ahead and post anything on this. It's a customer's. So once you connect to this Wi-Fi and you go to any local web browser, you'd be able to put in this and communicate on the web server. And then you could also come over here and put in this web address, which will be located in your instruction manual when you purchase this. And the password and user will be located in the user instructions after purchase. This is your CasaOS. To change it from military time, just press left click on this time and it will change it. Down here, if you click on this arrow, it will show you what apps are running for your CPU and what apps are running for your RAM. Currently, we have no applications installed. Moving down the line, here is your storage manager and where you will add different storage devices. This is the total free amount that is currently on the micro SD card. This is a readout for your internet traffic. You can change it to Ethernet if you have that additional board which is not included. I'm currently running on our wireless network, which is attached to the top of the Orange Pi Zero. Here inside the application store, we are not online, but I've went ahead and reprogrammed this application store to have up to 473 possibly one-click install applications for you to set up your home server like a boss. You can use WireGuard, there's Pi-hole, there's a whole bunch of different applications you can check out on their CasaOS website, but you can bring this online as well and access it anywhere in the world if you'd want to set that up later on. Moving on, this is your offline files that you can use currently right now on this Wi-Fi. So anyone that connects to the Ultimini 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and goes in here to this address and you give them the username and password, they will be able to access all of your folders and be able to share amongst each other for creators, churches, and etc. I have put on here a PDF so you can test it out and you can be able to view it from different multiple devices. You can also share it with your friends and they can download it from your server. The downloads folder, here's where you'd put your downloads, gallery, and media if you're a YouTube creator or you have music. Whenever you plug in another USB storage device, they'll show up under here and you'll be able to locate the files just like this on that device. If you go up here to the root folder, this is where we can go into the Orange Pi Zero desktop. This is your desktop, anything that's stored on your desktop of the Orange Pi Zero, which is the big part down here on the bottom that has the HDMI micro output and the two USB-Cs. That is your desktop PC. Though it is small, it is a full-size desktop PC running server. And that's how you access the CasaOS Ubuntu side of it. So you can actually get inside your PC headless without having to have a monitor. You can just get in here or download things to your download folders. And then when you SSH into your desktop PC via a terminal, you would be able to access all of this and access the internet or do your command line terminals via SSH. This is a Ubuntu system. So this is the CasaOS. This has been the Team Legacy's Chatterbox. This is what you can expect when you purchase the hottest home server application out. And if you'd like any more information on this, just message me on the eBay platform, or you can post a comment in this comment section below, but I will most likely respond to the eBay messages and stay on the eBay platform for my security and yours as well. If you've enjoyed this video, then help me hack the YouTube algorithm today by smashing that like button. And if you want to stick around to see my hot and new items that I've got created coming up, then hit the subscribe button because all of my subscribers sit in the first row.